Hi guys, so this is a video following on from a video that David Davis done from DVS where he showed off the Netgenium speakers, which are network speakers, in combination with a Hikvision NVR. So when motion is detected, it can then play one of the selected wave files that are stored on the speaker. So what I've done, this is going to be like 3 stages basically. Stage 1 being what I'm showing you now. Stage 2 will be the reverse engineering of the Hikvision NVR firmware in regards of the protocols that are used to send out that traffic so the speakers can play a specific wave file. And then thirdly, where we can push live audio over the network and have it spoken or said out loud through the speakers. But in this example, what I've got is an Arduino Leo ETH. I've got an SD card in it, which is just there, and that's got a selection of wave files, audio files on it. And then when I send a network instruction from a computer, in this case, because I haven't got the Hikvision NVR at the moment, then it will play one of those wave files through a set of speakers that I've got just sort of stored under here basically. And then also what I've done is created a motion detection piece of software that runs on Windows. As I said, because I don't have the Hikvision NVR to play with that at the moment. And then as soon as it detects motions, it will replicate the same sort of thing. So this could be used in, for example, if you've got like an existing installation in a shop, for example, that's got speakers throughout, it's already got an amplifier on site. What you could do is pipe the audio from this, plug it into one of the microphone inputs on the amp, and then once I've completed it in full, you could have your cameras that detect motion and could do announcements. Obviously, you don't have to do it. It could be programmed in a specific way so it announces every 30 minutes when it detects motions, for example, whatever the case may be. Or indeed an existing CCTV installation where you've got red walls and speakers or some form of motion detection in place. You've got speakers around the property connected to an amp, and then obviously then that can be used to broadcast messages from the central station. Again, this could be plugged into that amplifier and then get immediate notifications or warnings on premises before the ARC even sort of obviously receives that data and then starts investigating and then sort of relaying live human messages. So I'll jump over to the machine and then I'll show you a little piece of software that will just send out some broadcast messages and it will start speaking, and then I'll do the camera and show you the motion. UDP. This will allow me to send a broadcast message to the device and it will play the selected wave file. First one being a siren along with a motion detected message.
Motion detected in unauthorized area by DRC. This test is running on an Arduino Leo Ethernet.
The next one is just motion without the siren, so we'll skip that and go on to attention.
Attention, you are in an unauthorized area. Please leave immediately.
Next one is just the siren. And then followed by a short coded by message, because just because.
This project was coded by Daniel Rains.
What I'll do is I'll open up the motion detection. I've got my phone in front of the camera, and then once I take it away, it's then gonna obviously detect that there's a difference in the scene and then send out the message to the device and then cause it to speak that message basically. Okay, so here we go.
Motion detected in unauthorized area by DRC. This test is running on an Arduino Leo Ethernet.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.